Hello guys, this is Makeup by Ulka here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that I'm back with a new look, that is a green hollow eyes look. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy how to create a green hollow eyes look. So stay tuned. So I'm first gonna apply the Louise base all over the lids. And then I will be blending the base with the pack brush. This is the 219 brush. Now I'm gonna pick up the shade The Hype and dyed dip from the Colourpop and the Bperfect Carnival XL Pro palette. I'm just going to create the shape with the help of a Boujee Beauty brush. I'm just creating the shape and just blending in a windshield wiper motion with the help of the Boujee Beauty B108 brush, which is a very fluffy blending brush which I love the most. And now I'm gonna pick up the color Designer and Ecstasy from the Colourpop and Fade into Hue palette, and also the Bperfect palette with the help of the B107 Boujee Beauty brush. And I'm creating, like a transition shade. I want all the green shades to combine with each other, blend seamlessly, and I really love and enjoy this brush. Now I'm gonna pick up the shade Nuke again on a Boujee Beauty brush and just placing it, and I'm just creating the depth in the light medium green color and the light green color. And for that I'm going to use the brush which is the B214, which is my all-time favorite brush, and now blending all the three colors, the medium green, the light green together, and even the dark green as well, and creating like a seamless blend. And now I'm gonna pick out the shade Lights Out, which is jet black color, which I love the most from this Bperfect palette. And I'm gonna place it with the help of the same B214 brush and creating like a depth in between the green, the Nuke shade, and the Lights Out shade, which is giving me like a darker green color. That's what I'm going for, because this is a hollow eyes and we need darkers on both the inner corner and the outer corner. Also simultaneously blending the color with the medium shades, the darker shades and the medium shades together, and creating like a seamless blend. I want all the colors to be blended together. So going again with the lighter shades and again with the darker shade. And now I'm using the B213 brush, which is one more precise brush from Boujee Beauty brushes. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. I'm literally placing the product and blending it as well, because I think the black is less. And now I've got the crease with the same base and just defining my crease a bit with the green color so that everything looks blended and nice. As you can see, there's a shape that I'm creating with the dark green color. And now I'm gonna apply black both on the inner and the outer corner, creating like the shape of the hollow eyes, leaving the centers because we're gonna put the light shade in the middle. And as you can see, how the colors are looking, how they're blended. And now I'm gonna pick up the shade. Everything will be listed down below. From the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette, this is a very pretty lemon green shimmering shade, which I'm placing it in the middle, creating the spotlight effect. And for that I'm using the brush B213, and now I'm picking the shade Fantasyland, which is a light, very light pink, mostly like a white shade, creating a spotlight effect. And now again going in with the lighter green shades to create a transition on the spotlight, which is gonna look very pretty, because I feel that there should be some amount of definition in this eye look. So I'm going again with the Ecstasy and the lighter green shade from the Colourpop palette and creating like some amount of, and again I'm gonna go with the medium green shade and blending it together with the blacks and the yellows and the lighter greens, just to create definition. Guys, here I am showing you how I am creating the definitions. And for this I'm using the Mikyajy brushes. This doesn't have any numbers, but these are great for detailing. You can see how amazing it's looking. And now I'm gonna go with my favorite blending brush, which is the B215, and blending all the shades together just for the seamless blend. Guys, in this, blending is the key. You cannot just leave the colors like this. You need to blend all the products together in order to get that seamless eyeshadow look. Now everything is coming together, the look is coming together. Again going with all the shades, and I'm going with the medium green shades because I want like more green, peacock green in that look. Now I'm going same things I'm following on the waterline as well, as you can see. Because we need to match the eyes. Now I'm going with Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, which is my favorite mascara. So this is the final look that I have come up with. This is very beautiful green smoky spotlight eyes. And if you did enjoy, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And